Welcome to our tutorial on how to log out of MetaMask. Whether you are switching devices or simply want to enhance your security, logging out of MetaMask is a straightforward process. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to safely log out of your MetaMask account. First, you need to open the MetaMask app on your device. So, you have to type the password, unlock, and now you will be greeted with the MetaMask home screen displaying your wallet balance and recent transactions. In the bottom right corner, you can see a setting icon. Let's tap into that. And now you can access various options for managing your MetaMask account. Now we have to scroll all the way down, and in the blue lettering you can see lock. So in MetaMask, there is not a phrase called log out, it's actually lock, so it's kind of the same thing. You can click into that and your account will get locked out. So let's click in log, and it's asking, do you really want to log your wallet? Let's tap into yes, and your account has been logged out. And there you have it, you have successfully logged out of your MetaMask account. Whether you're switching devices or taking a break from crypto, logging out ensures the security of your assets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MetaMask tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.